Good morning students, welcome to online teaching session of Academic World School, Bemitra. This is my third lecture. For already 2 lectures I have given you on letter writing. You must have seen it and you must have done the assignment also. Now this is the third one of advertisement. Okay, today I am going to teach you what is advertisement and how you frame it. So definition of advertisement. What is advertisement? An advertisement is a very powerful medium deliberately used to influence the mind. That means a company advertises something and it has some or the other impact on our mind and we are inclined towards it. Okay, it might be the service, it might be the product. Okay, so now advertisements are of 2 kinds: classified advertisement and display or commercial advertisement. Classified advertisements are written in the newspaper under the classified column, okay, and it is again separated into different columns under different headings. That is situation vacant, situation wanted, to let, for sale and purchase, educational, lost and found, and accommodation wanted, and there are many more. Okay, and but display advertisement are the launching of a new product. You must have seen sometimes in a newspaper the entire page or the huge half page is occupied by any company who is launching a car, a mobile or any other product. Okay, that is display advertisement, which covers the maximum space of the newspaper. Okay, now the difference between classified advertisement and display advertisement is charged due to the space used. Okay, and this classified advertisement is charged on the words. So the word limit is 50 words. Okay, as prescribed by our syllabus, it is 50 words. So let's see the salient features of classified advertisement. Now what you have to keep in mind when you are writing an advertisement: word limit should be 50. Avoid writing long sentences. Yes children, you are not supposed to write any long sentences into it. That means no compound, no complex, nothing. Okay, you have to use phrases by putting commas and full stop. Okay, avoid use of articles. Articles means a, an, the, and prepositions. Okay, prepositions in, on, off, you have to avoid it. Instead of that, you have to put commas and frame the advertisement. Use commas and full stop to segregate the phrases. And advertisement is always written in a box. So whenever you are writing an advertisement, you have to make a box and then you have to give the heading and then you have to write whatever you want to write. And then this is the most important line which should be kept in mind, that advertisements are always written in third form. Okay, third form means what? Not I. You cannot start that I want a job and I am looking for a job. You cannot say that. Or even the company cannot say that we are looking for an accountant. No, it is never written in that form. That means it is written in the third form. Suppose a company, then it will want an accountant. Okay, so the company will write that an accountant required for so and so company. Okay, in this manner, not we want. Okay, so it is the third form: he, she, they. Okay, now I'll teach you. I'll show you how to write the classified advertisement. Before that, I want to explain you the heading in a correct manner. Remember, I wrote over here situation wanted. Situation, first I will explain vacant. Now what is situation vacant? Situation vacant when the company has a situation empty for a person, okay, for occupying that space, okay. So wanted. Now situation wanted is written by the person who is seeking a job. That means who is looking for a job. That means job seeker. Okay. Then comes to let. To let means when you want something on rent, or when you anything which is put on rent is comes under to let also. Then for sale or purchase. For sale or purchase can be for a vehicle, flat, or any property. Okay, all these things can come under sale or purchase column. If you want to sell, you can put an advertisement that I want to sell my flat, I want to sell my motorcycle, okay, like that. And purchase, if you want to purchase, okay, in that way. Now, then comes the educational. Educational. That when you look for something for any course, okay, which is under this educational column, okay, so it comes under, or if any person requires a teacher for a tutor, okay, that also comes under educational column. Then is lost and found. And many more like this. Now I will show you how to write the advertisement of a classified advertisement. Let's take a question. Let's take a question. A company requires a reception. Okay, a company requires a receptionist. So the company has to advertise for the vacant situation. So it will come under which heading? It will come under, first remember the points I explained you, that it will come into box. Okay, this box is mandatory. The most importantly, the second one, it should be in third person. Okay, so under which column it will come, children? Situation vacant, situation wanted, for sale and purchase. Which one? Situation vacant, because the company is giving an advertisement. So in uppercase you are going to write situation vacant. Okay, and then you will write a leading company requires a receptionist, full stop. Short sentences. Remember I told you no long sentences, and short sentences or phrases by using commas or full stop. A leading company requires a receptionist. Now, the person who requires another person, okay, a service of a person, that means he might be looking into something for that person. Okay, so a receptionist. Now you have to give the description communicative skills. Okay. You can even mention the date, age, 25 years, comma, in how much short you can write, you can write. Okay. Then what else? It is your idea, you can implement anything. Okay. You can even implement the experience. Okay. Experienced, comma, computer savvy. That means all knowledge of computer. Then you even you can write the salary also. Okay, it is up to you. Comma, salary. Suppose if you, it is very important for you to keep a person. Okay, and now the person who comes and is demanding, suppose more than which you are giving as a salary. Okay, suppose you are giving 20,000 and the person is demanding 30,000. Okay, now at this situation there is a word called negotiable. Okay, that means negotiate. Okay, you are demanding 30, I can give you 20, so let's stick and come to 25. Okay, so salary you can even write negotiable. Clear? And so all these things, after writing all these things, the person will read the advertisement. So what the person will read? A leading company requires a receptionist, must be good looking, must be communicative skills, must have communicative skills, age 25 years, experience, computer savvy, salary negotiable. Now the person has to contact somewhere. Okay, so you will write interested, or even you can write inclined. Person can contact Mr. Suman Kapoor the manager Agarwal and Sons. Okay, now you can even give the telephone number. Phone 98, whatever you want. Okay, 98347364. Okay. So the person will call and will have the advertisement. Okay. Now, children, this is a kind of classified advertisement which I gave you for situation vacant. Now, remember the number of headings which I showed you: situation vacant, situation wanted, for sale and purchase. Under those headings, it will differ according to the question. So, when you read the question, suppose a question is you want to sell your flat because you are going abroad. Okay, you want to sell your flat. So, under which heading you are going to write? You are going to write under like this: flat for sale. Okay, under this heading you are going to write, and you have to give the features of the flat. That means what are the be sold more and more. Okay, so we will again do the same thing. Advertisement is made in a box. We make a box. Okay, now what is the difference over here? Listen to me carefully, children. When I wrote the classified advertisement, my font size, font, that means the font of the words, okay, letters. Font size was same in classified advertisement, but in display or commercial advertisement, where you are publicizing your products, and you are launching a new product, there the font size can change because it needs to be more attractive. It needs to be more attractive, so people look into it and they get attracted, and because you are publicizing your product. Okay. The word limit will be same, 50 words, as it was in classified. Okay. Word limit 50 words. So font size will differ. It should look attractive and 50 words. Okay. Now, what was my question? Launching of new hair oil. Okay. Launching of hair oil. Okay. Now, of course, you have to give a fake name of everything. So, I am giving the name of my hair oil, Long and Shine. Okay. Long and Shine. So, different font sizes. Okay, long and shiny. No, I'm writing it clearly. Okay. Now I have to attract the people, so I am writing what is, see children, it is a trick to trap the people under the advertisement, and what? Knowing that what problems they are facing. So what is the problem, biggest problem today? People are facing the hair fall, grey of hair. Okay, these are the problems which they are facing. So if we put impact on that, those things, and say that okay, we are launching this, it will affect in this manner. So upset of hair fall. You have to make it attractive. Question mark. Upset of hair fall. Upset of grey hair. Are you getting me? Okay. So no need to be panicked. No need to be panicked. Kapoor and Sons have launched new hair oil. Oil to eradicate your problems. Okay. Now, as it is a launching of a product, of course you need to give some gifts kind of a thing. Okay, or buy one get one free, like that kind of a thing. You can make that. Okay. So You can put it in this manner and you can write buy one get one free. Okay, so in this manner you are going to write it. You can make it more attractive as you want, children. It is up to you. Now at the end, what are you going to write? You are going to write the name of the company and the address of the company. Okay, so the name of the company, you can as I have written away Kapoor and Sons. Okay, so because the wholesalers will go to that company and they will buy the product in bulk, and then it will come to the retailers. Okay, in this way the business goes on. Kapoor and Sons, comma 65 by B Milan Road, Bengaluru. Okay, done. So in this manner, so you can add even more things into it, whatever you like. So is it clear, children? Today I taught you two things. What? Two kinds of advertisement. One was the classified advertisement and the other was display advertisement. Let's recap it in a very fast manner. Advertisement, two kinds, classified and display advertisement. Classified advertisement written into small columns of on one page, which is cost on the word limits. Okay, and display advertisement cost by occupying the space. This is the difference. Okay, now when you are writing it, what is the difference? Both have 50 word limits. Keep this in mind, children. 50 word limits for both the advertisements. Okay, then it should be attractive. Which one? The display one. It should be attractive. The font size should differ in display advertisement, and in classified advertisement you should not write long sentences. You should write phrases. Should not use articles and prepositions. Put commas and full stop to separate the phrases. Okay, and the most importantly, write it in third form. Do not write it in first or second form. No using of I, no using of we. Okay, so you have to write it in third form. And then I showed you both the examples. Classified advertisement are under many columns. Okay, I showed you two examples. One I showed you for situation vacant. Okay, where a company wanted a receptionist. And the second one I showed you for the sale of your flat. Okay, you want to sell your flat. So, and this I showed you for the hair oil. So, is it clear to you, children? I have given you assignment for this, and you